Number 5. These Venom Steel Industrial Nitrile gloves are a game changer for anyone working in industrial, automotive, or mechanical settings. The combination of nitrile and alloy steel materials ensures durability and resistance to wear and tear, making them perfect for heavy-duty tasks. The textured grip provides a secure hold on tools and equipment, even in wet or oily conditions, enhancing user safety and productivity. The beaded cuff design prevents the gloves from rolling down and keeps out dirt and debris, offering added protection. Moreover, the fact that these gloves are latex-free makes them suitable for individuals with latex allergies, expanding their usability and appeal to a wider audience. The pack of 100 large-sized gloves ensures that the user is well-stocked for an extended period, reducing the frequency of replacements and saving costs in the long run. Overall, the Venom Steel Industrial Nitrile gloves stand out for their quality, resilience, and versatility.